In this video, we'll be marking the book back answers for 10th standard social science, history, unit 2, the world between two world wars. We'll start from choose the correct answer. First one, with whom of the following was the Lateran Treaty signed by Italy? Answer is C, Pope. Second one, with whose conquest did the Mexican civilization collapse? Answer is A, Hernan Cortes. Third one, who made Peru as part of their dominions? Answer is B, Spaniards. Fourth one, which president of USA pursued good neighbor policy towards Latin America? Answer is A, Roosevelt. Fifth question, which part of the world disliked dollar imperialism? Answer is B, Latin America. Fill in the blanks. The founder of the Social Democratic Party was Ferdinand Lassalle. Second one, the Nazi party's propaganda was led by Joseph Goebbels. Third one, the Vietnam Nationalist Party was formed in 1927. Fourth one, the secret state policy in Nazi Germany was known as Gestapo. Fifth one, the Union of South Africa came into being in May 1910. Sixth one, the ANC leader, African National Congress, ANC leader Nelson Mandela was put behind the bars for dash years, 27. Seventh one, Boers were also known as Afrikaners. Choose the correct answer. First one, during World War I, the primary task of Italy was to keep the Austrians occupied on southern front. Southern front means the place where the fight or the war was taking place, and so Italy's work was to keep the Austrians occupied, so make them fight in the southern front. That was true. Second one, Germany took to fascism much later than Italy. Fascism is a mode of political condition, and in that Italy and Germany followed fascism, and Germany followed fascism later than Italy. That is also right. Third one, the first huge market crash in the US occurred on 24th October 1929. That is true. Fourth one, the ban of African National Congress was lifted in 1966. That is wrong. It was lifted only in the year 1990. So options, among the options, the answer is D. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Assertion, a new wave of economic nationalism which expressed itself in protectionism affected the world trade. That is, nationalism is importance to the nation, and economic nationalism means the importance what they gave for the development of economy in a nation. That expressed itself in protectionism. Protectionism is protecting themselves. So that affected the world trade. Reason, this was because the USA was not willing to provide economic aid to the debtor countries. Debtor here refers to the countries which borrowed money from USA, and so it was not willing to provide economic aid. Aid means help. This one is not the explanation for assertion. This reason is not the explanation for assertion. So you can take B as the answer. A is right, but R is not the correct explanation. Third one, assertion, the Berlin Colonial Conference of 1884 to 85 had resolved that Africa should be divided into spheres of influence of various colonial powers. That is, the conference held in Berlin in the years 1884 to 85 said that Africa should be divided into different groups according to the colonies to which they belong to. The reason The war between the British and the Boers in South Africa, however, was in defiance of this resolution. But the British were against this resolution. So answer is both A and R are right. Match the following. Transvaal. Transvaal is a place where they were able to find gold. So option gold is for the first one. Tonking. Answer is guerrilla activities. Hindenburg. It is a place in Germany. Third Reich. Answer is Hitler. Matteotti. Answer is Italy. Answer briefly. What do you know of the White Terror in Indochina? The answer is in page number 19 and 20. You can see here in this last paragraph, emergence of Viet Minh. Last line, in 1929, the Vietnamese soldiers mutinied and there was a failed attempt to assassinate the French Governor General. This was followed by a large-scale peasant revolt led by the communists. The revolt was crushed, followed by what is called White Terror. Thousands of rebels were killed. Third question, what was the result of Mussolini's march on Rome? Answer is in page number 17. Here above the picture of Mussolini, above that blue box, Mussolini organized the fascist march on Rome. Impressed by the show of force, the king invited Mussolini to form a government. The inability of the Democratic Party leaders to combine and act with resolution facilitated Mussolini's triumph. Next question. Next question is, how did the Great Depression impact on the Indian agriculture? The answer is in page number 20. Here you have a separate paragraph for that, and you can see the first 6 lines. The Great Depression also dealt a detailed blow on Indian agriculture and the indigenous manufacturing sector. The value of farm produce declined by half, while the land rent to be paid by the peasant remained unchanged. In terms of price of agriculture commodities, the obligation of the farmers to state doubled. Next question. Define dollar imperialism. Page number 24. Here you have a blue box here, dollar imperialism. The term used to describe the policy of the USA in maintaining and dominating over distant lands through economic aid. So with this, next we have to mark the detailed answer. As I always say, these detailed answers are marked in the side headings. So go through them, prepare well, and best wishes. Thank you all.